the 2015 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, front and rear air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.